Hello, what's up, guys? My name is the Foxwolf, and today I this is an unusual video, but I just want to tell you viewers that I do hear something strange and something outside the roofs right now. And to be honest, it's actually morning right now, so I begin hearing these weird sounds coming from the wall here. Let me just turn on my desk lamp here, so just for a second. Around this area here, from the rooftops and inside the wall here, an outside wall on the other side, I've been hearing these weird sounds. I even heard a weird sound of somewhat of our own stuff being knocked down to the front door, but I never got to witness or see who it was. But in hindsight, also the area is fogged up. The glass is fogged because of winter and the cold, but yeah, well, technically I can't see no one out there walking on, but there is some areas that something might be suspicious. But well, like, I'm not lying to you viewers, I'm not lying. Like, I swear I'm hearing something weird right now, and I'm actually freaking myself out a little bit here. Not too much, but just wait. I hear it, I hear it, I hear it, I hear it, I hear it again. I hear it again. Like right there. Guys, for the last 4 days or something like that, I've been hearing these coming up from the roof area or something. And even though it hasn't snowed right now yet, just a little bit of an inch of snow last week ago, but so we can't tell if there are any footprints on the other side of the house. But it keeps happening until morning comes. Like, this incident keeps happening every day until the light comes before sunrise. So if I hear this again, I hope I can get this on film, because this is crazy. Like, it's nothing supernatural, but still, it might be just squirrels under the rooftop or inside. Just like the last time I recorded, I heard strange sounds coming from that corner wall over there, like some weird scratching noises, like squirrels scratching the wood. But might be this as well. But why does it come? Why does it happen through this section wall over here? That just doesn't make sense. So weird.